Allrecipes member who submitted this hummus recipe noted that hummus is a pureed garbanzo bean dip with Middle Eastern origins. Serve it with pita and an assortment of fresh vegetables. This is the secret combination straight from a Boston restaurant. Tahini, or sesame seed paste, can be found in health food stores, gourmet shops, and even many grocery stores. To make this hummus, you will need either a food processor or blender. Drain 2 cups of canned garbanzo beans and add them to the bowl of the food processor. Add 1/3 cup of tahini. Then, use a citrus reamer to squeeze 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. That'll take about 2 lemons. Pour the lemon juice into the food processor bowl. Peel 2 cloves of garlic, cut them in half, and add them in. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. And blend it until the mixture is smooth. That's all there is to it. Transfer the hummus to a serving dish, drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil over the top, and sprinkle it with paprika and some parsley.